Okay, so let's see what is ratio analysis in unit 5. Okay, ratio analysis is a method of analyzing financial statement by using numbers and comparing them. It helps to understand the financial performance and condition of a business. So what does this ratio analysis do? It is a method of analyzing financial statement. How their financial statement is analyzed, by using numbers and comparing them. What is comparing between the both the companies, comparing with the both the companies to understand the financial statement. Okay, financial statement and the condition of the business. So the business, like what will say, debit or what the working process, debit, like what, how much profit did this company earn, how much profit did this company earn. So is it high, or is this company is high, or this company is low. So like these things, comparing, if both the companies are comparing, they can understand the what is the condition of a business, and they can by through these numbers, what they can understand the financial performance. Okay, now next let's come to this. It is a quantitative analysis of data available in financial statements such as the balance sheet and income statement. So what is, first let's see what is quantitative analysis. What is quantitative analysis? Quantitative analysis means using numbers to understand the data, which is something better. Okay, what is quantitative analysis? Using numbers to understand some data. Some data is there. Okay, you can think that there is named class according to students are penciling, name, class, grade and everything, their percentage. Okay, to understand these data in a better way, what we will use? Quantitative analysis. Like in financial statement, I can tell like profit, how much profit this migraine has taken. Okay, in this month, how much profit did a company or a business has gained. So like that we can understand. Okay, so while adding all the patterns. Okay, so when we can see all the patterns where there is an improvement. Okay, here where in business where we need any improvement is needed or not, at least we can understand that. That is called quantitative analysis. It is a quantitative analysis of data available in financial statement. So in financial statement, this quantitative analysis is there, such that what we can understand, a balance sheet and income statement can be. Now I told for profit, or like students we can tell that what their attendance percentage. Okay, so in everything we can see that quantitative analysis, where data is available in financial statement such as balance sheet of income statement can be known. Okay, now let's come to this meaning. Okay, what does this meaning tells about? So how this ratio analysis is used. Okay, let's see how this ratio analysis is used. So this ratio analysis is used to evaluate different aspects of an organization. So there is a company. Okay, there is a company. Okay, in this company there are different types of organization. Okay, in different types of organization. So this organization, what are they? There is of 4 types. What are they? In this organization, which is there in ratio analysis, there are use of a different aspects. Okay, then in this organization, okay, think as an example I am taking it. There is a company, there is an organization. In this organization there are of different 4 aspects. Okay, there are of 4 aspects. In this company there is an organization which is having 4 aspects. Okay, take it as an example. And There are four aspects. What are they? Profitability, liquidity, long-term financial position, and efficiency of operation. So okay, let's see first one. What is profitability? What is profitability? How much we earned, okay, in a month or year. Okay, how much we have earned. Okay, earning capacity, how much we have earned, that is called profitability. Liquidity, what is liquidity? Able to pay short term debits. Okay, if we have taking a short term debit like 1 year. Okay, and otherwise we can tell it as 3 months, 3 to 6 months. Okay, these are of most of these are of short term debits. So quantity means able to pay short term debits, which is of 3 to 6 months. Okay, long term financial position means they are debits. Okay, debits is there. Long term debits, which means long term financial position means long term debits. Is the company able to pay long term debits? That is the debits, which is like 1 year, 2 3 years. Okay, 1 to 3 years, or 3 to 4 years, 3 to 6 years. Okay, like that. So okay, next, efficiency of operation. What is efficiency of operation? Which means this tells about how will a company uses its resources. But like that, there are many resources. Okay, these are aspects, and there is resources in a company, and what are their time, money, labor. Okay, to achieve a goal in a company. So how it uses the resources, like time, money, labor, to achieve a goal. How a company uses the resources, okay, to achieve their goal. Now let's see the importance in ratio analysis. Okay, let's see the importance. What are the importance? Determine operational efficiency. Show how efficiency a company uses its resources. So just now I told here about the efficiency of operation, like time, money. Okay, these are the resources which are having in the company. So to achieve a goal, how effectively did the company uses the resources. Okay, that is determining operational efficiency. Okay, next, let's see, reflects profitability. So what is a reflect profitability? Helps to know whether the company is making profit or loss. Okay, so reflect profitability means a company is there. Okay, there is a company, and okay, there are people who is helping to know whether the company is making profit or loss, which is like, is the graph is going down, or is the graph is going high. Okay, or it's going high to low, or it's going high. So this thing, to know the profit and loss, this reflective profitability is there, helps to know whether the company is making profit or loss. Okay, helps in forming opinions. So what, yeah, here people take opinions to understand a business, like if is the company is going in debit, or is the company is gaining profit. Okay, to understand. So what has to be improved, or what problem is there, so such that it will be useful for the investors and managers and creditors to evaluate the business. Okay, next, supports decision making. What is supports decision making? Which means this support decision making. It will help the management to make the financial decision, like it the is like you can example we can take then. Okay, is the company needed any improvement, or it have to be more in according to the way which they are going now. So they have to take a better decision for the company. Okay. Okay, limitations of ratio analysis. Useful mainly for comparison within the same industry. Different industry cannot be compared accurately. Useful mainly for comparison within the same industry. Like we can take it as debit, credit, and what are they? Profitability, okay, efficiency. So how much the company has to compare with the same industry, such that it can know about the how much it has been is the company is this company one and this company two. Is this company raised, or is this company raised, or is this company came low, or is this company raised? Okay, so like this there is a company can be compared with the same industry. If they do not compare with the same industry, if they compare with a different industry, there will be occurring misunderstanding. Okay, next, does not consider inflation. Change in price level may affect result. So does not consider inflation, which means the past, it should not be considered like past profit or cost. Okay, in future there will be changes in price level, and it may affect the result. Like a past, if we compare with the past result, the now in present, if there is any change in level, price level, so there may be there will affect for the results. So next, let's see the conclusion. Ratio analysis is an important tool to understand financial statement and understanding a company financial health. It helps to evaluate performance and making business decisions, which means the ratio analysis, which is important. It is an important tool for studying financial statement and understand company financial health. To understand a company financial health, so this ratio analysis is important, and this ratio analysis helps to evaluate performance and make business decisions.